Okay, here's an isobaric one. I put two speakers together, one in the back which is fully enclosed, and then the other one at the front. I just made a little styrene box and I've put a 1/16 clear acetate on the top there and glued that. I made sure it's sealed too. Okay, we'll swap those over. That's red to black and black to red. We'll swap these and we'll just put them in parallel, so we've got black and black together. And red together. And we'll have a listen to this. This is what I reckon is good sound. That's very clear, good sound. If I go back onto one of the other speakers here, that's as loud as they are. If I go back to this one again, put him up over there. And this little box, I've got my fingers on it, she's shaking like anything. So I'm getting some very clear and what I think is good deep bass out of that one there. And these are only the 20mm high bass speakers, so imagine if you put some 28s or 27 or 28mm high bass speakers together, that'd be interesting. It works, so parallel and series, they're both working. And that's all off the Tsunami 1000 that I've got in there. That's a medium steam I've got on there at the moment. But I'm pretty happy with that. That's a neat little box. So yes, you can get good sound out of this isobaric way. Either way, series and parallel, but I think the parallel seems to be a little bit more beefy. Cheers.